Hello dear students, this is the class of Alim second year. Here we will go through flowchart which is very much important for Alim class. Now I will explain what is the basic rules of flowchart. Dear students, at first we have to follow some basic rules. Our first rule is use short phrases, not full sentences. You have to use short phrase in your flowchart. You should not use full sentences because it will take a huge place in your exam paper. Next, in second rule, we have seen that maintain logical order. You have to maintain logical order. You can't use any illogical sentence in your flowchart. In third rule, we have seen that use arrows between steps. You have to use arrow in your boxes. You can write it vertically or horizontally, but you have to use arrow sign in your flowchart. Next, write in present tense. You have to make your flowchart in present tense. You can't use past tense or future tense in your flowchart. Next, in number 4, I have written that in number 5, avoid unnecessary details. You have to avoid unnecessary details in your flowchart because unnecessary details will bother your examiner and you will be annoyed with your unnecessary details. So you have to write in short sentences. In number 6, start with capital letters. You have to start your flowchart in every boxes with capital letter because in punctuation we have taught that capital letter is so much important in starting a flowchart.